Wombats poop perfect little cubes. Seriously, these Australian marsupials are the only animals on Earth with square-shaped droppings. It's not a weird party trick, it's a genius survival hack. The cube shape stops their poop from rolling down hills or getting swept away by wind, letting wombats stack their droppings up high to mark their territory and communicate with other wombats. Inside their gut, the magic happens. Their intestines stretch and squeeze the poop into those sharp corners, turning a regular digestive process into a geometric marvel. No other animal's body works quite like this. Next time you see a wombat, remember, they're not just cute, they're living proof that nature's weirdest solutions can be the smartest.